Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam exposure video. Now, if there was ever a time to be angry, this is the time, okay? Dropping Ball 2 has been released. Now, I cannot explain to you how angry these apps make me, okay? Just for the simple fact that why? Just why do they exist? Everyone, you're not going to believe this. This app is promising $1,000 again, I'm pretty sure. If I remember correctly, the original Dropping Ball app promised $1,000 cash out. Look at this. Man, I'm so done. Collect 26 eggs and get $1,000. We do have the 2 million in-game currency to get 100 USD. Then we have $100 here, guys, for a token redemption. $100 on the Amazon gift card. And we have the generic joke scam of if you collect or get 1777 on the slot machine, you win $777. I just can't. I can't understand why Google still allows these apps to even exist, everyone. They give you a token every like 5 minutes or 4 minutes. What is this all about? Why? Why is that allowed? Dude, they give you one token every 5 to 4 minutes. Like, I'm pretty sure it is 5 minutes, bro. Legitimately. That means they're guaranteeing that you have to spam ads to get tokens. Like, don't worry, within the next couple of minutes, I'll be getting a token here, guys. Or an ad to get tokens. Watch this. Not even joking. I cannot... Look, it says Google Play is not the sponsor, nor is involved with any Dropping Ball promotions, competitions, or prizes. Because they're all fake. They're not real. It says you'll get your reward in 3 to 15 business days, right? If you look at the actual real-life reviews for the original Dropping Ball app, you will see how angry people really are, guys, okay? Now, I've already got $5 in the span of 2 minutes, so you know something's not right. I've already earned $5, everyone. That is hilarious to me. I'm just spamming my little tokens here, by the way. I have to. What's clear? Clear. Free. There we go. Just cleared all obstacles. And now I ran out of tokens. I'm going to spend $2 in real-life money here to get more tokens. I'm not watching an ad. Alright, we got 7. Jackpot. Woo! That's great. I love that. And 100 tokens as well. And there's an ad. Okay, that's alright. That was to be expected. Of course there'd be an ad, everyone. What do you think this is? This is a joke app after all. Anyway. So, this is where the app starts to trick you, okay? You start going from earning real-life money into earning the coins, okay? And you'll notice the multipliers have changed massively as well. Just remember that, everyone. The multipliers have changed big time. We're now getting just 2 times and 1 times. There's an egg. We finally have an egg drop. I can maybe get 1 egg, everyone, here. Let's see. Yes, I got 1 egg. Excellent. Claim 25 more to win $1,000. Claim the egg and I get an ad. That's great. Thank you very much for that. Lucky Dozer Coin Pusher 2020. Oh, jeez. I just don't know why these are allowed still, guys. And I can harp on forever. I mean, I could sit here and make a video every single day on the fact that these apps exist, bro. But what do you want me to do, guys? Like, someone needs to tell you people out there. Like, there's people still commenting legit or fake. Guys, I'm not making videos to show you real apps because they're not real. These are all fake. I'll let you know in the title if they're real or not, okay? Just remember that. Majority of the videos I've done so far, if not all of them, have been on scam apps that trick you into wasting your precious time. And I don't care what anyone says, I'll never stop trying to save your time. I'll gladly give up 10 minutes of my day so you guys can save months, if not a year of your day, okay? I'm not even exaggerating. That's how bad it gets with these apps. You have to play some of these apps for literal months to get any sort of real profit, to get to their cash out values, and then when you can't even cash it out, or you never get the money. They're the 2 options you'll face with after wasting a whole bunch of your year. Trust me, everyone, you love me. I'm having so much support, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you all so much. You guys are absolutely amazing. I reply to every comment, by the way. If you haven't noticed that, I do reply to every single comment, and I think that surprised a bunch of you guys, but I do. I mean, if you guys are taking the time out of your day to leave me a comment, I can sure as hell leave a reply to you, okay? So just remember that. We're up to $23 right now. We're only on not even $2,000 of the in-game currency. We still have literally 1.999. Think about this, 1999998 left. We have almost 2 million coins left still. Doesn't matter. We haven't even made a dent in our coins. Do you know how much this annoys me, man? Seriously. I don't know what to do here. I mean, how do we get these dropping ball apps banned? That's what I want to know, everyone. How do we get it banned? It needs to be banned. These apps need to be banned. They're never going to pay out. So in reality, this guy, if people got the eggs right, he has to pay out $1,000. So 10,000 people have already downloaded the new Dropping Ball 2 app, okay? So, is that $10 million, if I'm correct, or not? It might be. Let me have a look. Pretty sure it's $10 million. So 1,000 times 10,000. Yeah, 10 mil. There you go. 10 mil, everyone. Beautiful. So we're on $30 right now. We're getting jackpot quite a bit here, but now we got the sad face. Why didn't I land on the sad face for? Didn't I just get jackpot at 25? I could have sworn I got jackpot in 25. Look, there's the 777, by the way. Isn't that funny? 777's there. If I land on that, apparently I get $777, everyone. I want to have a day where I literally get the jackpot somehow. It'd be hilarious if I was to record a jackpot. But yeah, these apps never pay out, everyone. You'll never ever get to that point where you're going to cash out. And if by chance you manage to waste enough of your time and you get to the cash out value, then money will never appear in your account. I'm telling you now, please do not waste your time on these apps. I cannot stress it enough, everyone. I cannot stress it enough, bro. I wouldn't be here on YouTube making videos, potentially risking, you know, my, what's the word for it? It's not loyalty, what's the thing? Reputation. I wouldn't be making videos like this, so many of them, if I wasn't 100% confident these are scams, okay? Literally, these are scams, these are jokes, and they need to be stopped. And I'm never going to stop until I get these off the market, or people are just made aware, so I can help dwindle down the player numbers, because that's my goal. They cannot scam people like this. It's not okay. It's against the law. I'm almost 99% sure this is against the law, promising fake goods. I'm telling you now. And do you know what's funny? Puppy Town and Lucky Toss 3D are some of the biggest culprits of that, and the Hyper Plinko series. Any Plinko series, or Dropping Ball, or Pusher, Dozer, any of those series are the biggest jokes. How do I have an ad right now? Look at this lady. Yeah, you won $2,000 from playing this game, did you? I can't wait to get into Dicey Queen. I want to take down Dicey Queen, dude. I am. You watch. I am going to take down Dicey Queen. I can promise you that. I guarantee it. Dicey Queen's next on my list, everyone. I've already done it once, and I'll come back and do it again. I can guarantee that, bro. I'm not even joking. No, I'm not going to claim any of those 50 balls. Look, now it's making me watch an ad. I can't even buy it out with real life money. That's frustrating. So we're pretty much done. It's hit me with a paywall again to watch an ad. I'm not doing that. Anyway, guys, look, besides the point, just please be more careful with your time. Just try and, yeah, just stay safe out there. Be careful what you play. And don't get scammed by these pathetic apps. Seriously. I mean, the guy that makes this app, I just don't know what you're thinking, dude. You must either be desperate for money, like maybe your family's sick or something's going on in life, or you're just one greedy, like, absolute joke of a person, bro. There's no other reason why you should make an app like this. You're just tricking people. That's it. And if anyone's going to say to me, I've only had about 4 or 5 people say this now, which I guarantee it's developers or their friends. Show me the receipts that you got paid $100 or $1,000. Show me the money. I need to see money. Don't just give me a dumb comment. You need to show me the receipts and the screenshots. I want to see it, bro. I want to see not only yours, but other people's as well. Then it eliminates scams as well. It'd be very easy for the developer to send someone money and say, look, they paid me out. I want to see multiple receipts, okay? Maybe the developer has to do it himself. That'd be good. Anyway, besides the point, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there. I'm getting off this joke app. Apparently I'm up to $51 already in 9 minutes. Yeah, man, that's not a scam. I'm sure it's not going to slow down as time goes on. Anyway, catch you around. I'm not wasting my time anymore. See you later, everyone. Catch you next time. Check out my videos. I'll be back tomorrow. See you later.